you're the London commuter and you need the Elizabeth line, GIDEA Park Station is within walking distance. If you've got children and you want Ardleigh Green Primary School and Infant School, we're within walking distance. If you're the downsizer from Emerson Park, I've got something that's very stunning to show you. If you're upsizing from Hornchurch, likewise. This house is tucked in the corner of Haynes Road and Rowan Walk. It's brand new, it's got a 10-year guarantee. I can't wait to show you around. Let's take a look. Upon entering this home, you're greeted by this lovely entrance hall. Downstairs, we've got lounge, study, WC, and the open planned kitchen living. Wonderful shaker style, integrated AG appliances, including oven, warming drawer, combi oven, dual hob with gas and induction. We've got a cooker tap, we've got a wine cooler, you name it, we've got you covered. Beautiful aspect, looking onto the low maintenance rear garden. Why don't we have a look at what upstairs has on offer? Let's talk about the bedroom accommodation. This floor, we've got 3 doubles, 2 with ensuite, master with a walk-in wardrobe. Got a main bathroom WC. Let's take a look at the top floor. And on this floor, we've got a guest room, playroom, bedroom, you name it, but we've even got wet room facilities. If a low maintenance rear garden is your thing, then this garden's perfect. Porcelain patio, artificial lawn. It'd just be nice if the sun was shining today. My name's Billy Gill. We are Balgores. This is Rowan Walk, and I'll see you here very soon.